So what are the different data types in Python which we can use? So to start it, let's understand with an example. Let's take our first example, and I will assign a variable to our data type. Variable is basically a container which is help to store our values. Let's say m, and I am equating m to 100, and I am saying print m. It will give us 100, and this is an integer value data type, because every number which is not in decimal form is integer data type in Python. Let's take another example. Let's say op var, which is again a variable name. You can name anything to your variable, and I'm saying m divided by 5.3. So value which we have m stored in m, which is 100, will divided by 5.3, and it will give us 118.86792 and so on. This is a float value. If you want to store a value which have decimal, is known as float data type, a float value. And let's if we want to store a string variable or a statement, so we store a string if in a quotation. If you don't use quotation in a string, it will give error, because it will not identify that value as a string. To store a string or to make a string, and we have to put it in a quotation, and I'm saying, hi, I hope you have a beautiful day, and I am saying string var, which is our variable which I have used to store our string value. So it will again give us a string value, and this is known as string data type. So these are some primary data type in Python programming language.